Morning everyone, it's Mr. Allen again. It's Friday the 22nd of May, ready for our golden ticket and our shout out assembly. Lovely to see all of the posts on Class Dojo and lots of smiley children. So please do keep that up, parents. It's really lovely to see. I know sometimes it can be a bit of a chore, but it is fantastic to see all the work that is going on. So please do keep it up, keep in touch, because it's really fantastic to see. So we're kicking off this morning in Year 3, and you'll see in this white class, you'll see Oliver, Olivia, Abby, Sophie, Bentley, Ivor, Amelia, Harry, Subhan and Dylan, all working so hard. Getting out, getting exercise, doing your writing, doing your maths, doing your reading. It's non-stop. I know Miss White found it really difficult this week to choose her golden ticket. But this week there's only one golden ticket winner for Miss White, and that goes to Blake, you superstar. Well done, Blake. Absolutely brilliant. Lovely smiley face. Working so hard on your writing, on your spellings, on your reading. Getting certificates as well from the NHS. Superb, Blake. I am so impressed with every single thing you are doing. Keep doing it every day, posting something. I know Miss White has been so impressed. So thanks, Mum and Dad. Well done, Blake. Look out for this. This should be coming to you in the post today. The postman will be delivering it. Posted them all off, so look out for them, buddy. Huge congratulations and really well deserved. Thank you for such a smiley face as well. It's really cheering Mr. Allen up. Thank you. Moving on to Mr. Ackerman's class. Now, Mr. Ackerman's class, you'll see again, it's got these 6 superstars. You've got Jessica, you've got Oliver, Doreen, Bella, Kieran, and Lily. All looking fairly relaxed and enjoying the outside as well as trying to work really hard. I know Mr. Ackerman's been saying that every day you guys are posting something on there, whether that's maths, whether that's English, about your reading, getting out and doing exercise. Please do keep that up, guys, because it is absolutely fantastic. I know Mr. Ackerman was so impressed with every single one of you. But there's only one golden ticket, I'm afraid, and this week that goes to Reggie! Well done, Reggie. Fantastic, buddy. Such a brilliant smiley face. Thank you so much. Really cheering me up there. Huge congratulations. Really well deserved. Fantastic cooking as well that's been going on. You little superstar, but lots of maths, lots of English, lots of reading every day. I'm so impressed with that, so well done. And I know Mr. Ackerman is as well. Look out, the postman should deliver that today for you, so look out for it, buddy. Huge congratulations. I'm really proud of you. Moving on to Year 4. In Year 4, you've got Lily, you've got Kieran, you've got Joe, you've got Martin, Balana, Adria, Connor, Alicia, Freya, Ashton and Erica, all working so hard. And I know Miss Barrett, you've seen Miss Barrett, is so impressive. Milana, happy 9th birthday, hun, for last week. Really congratulations for that and really happy birthday. But superb, guys. You are posting so much on there. You are working so hard, making it really hard for Miss Barrett to choose a golden ticket winner. But in actual fact, the golden ticket this week goes to Kieran, you superstar. Well done, Kieran. You are posting every single day. And I know Miss Barrett is so impressed with you. Look out for this, buddy. The postman should deliver this today, because you are just well deserving of this. Every single day posting something, working so hard, getting on with your sister and looking out for your sister and helping her as well. Really important there, so really well done. Keep it up, buddy, and look out for this. It's really well deserved. I'm so proud of you. Well done. Moving on, Mr. Pinner. Now look at Mr. Pinner superstars. You've got Oliver, you've got Janice, you've got Leo, Nadia, Joshua, Dragos, Bianca, Josh, Colby and Diego there. All working so hard. Well done, guys. Please do keep that up. And you'll see Mr. Pinner so impressed with all the different amount of work that is going on. The cooking as well. There, Bianca's cooking as well. Just phenomenal. There's something put on there previously. So impressive. Looks so mouthwatering. So please do keep it up. Lots of reading. Well done, Josh. Keep up with your reading every day. Mr. Pinner, I know, is so impressed. But Mr. Pinner's golden ticket this week goes to none other than Amelia. Well done, Amelia. Look at you, smiley face. Superb, hun. Really well done. Well deserved. I know Miss Pinner's impressed with how much you are doing, posting on Class Dojo, and also getting on with your brother as well, which is lovely to see. Really well deserved, hun. Look out for this. The postman should deliver it today. So I am so proud of you again. Please keep up the good work, and thank you, Mum, for posting so much on Class Dojo. It's really impressive. Moving on to Year 5. You see in Year 5, look at Miss Healings. Miss Healings superstars. You've got Chloe, Callum, Nikita, Jeffrey, Cody, Damien, Scott H, Kyle and Frankie. Again, Frankie there holding up your golden ticket. Lovely to see. The postman got it there eventually, so really well done for last week. Working with it. Damien, that looks so tasty, buddy. Honestly, amazing cooking going on as well there. But again, you'll see lots and lots of smiley faces. That's what's really cheering me up. So thank you, everyone. It's lovely to see that even though you're working so hard during this lockdown period, it's lovely to see everyone smiling and looking really well. So thank you. But this week, Miss Healing's golden ticket goes to none other than Cody. Well done, Cody. Huge congratulations, buddy. I'm so impressed. Miss Healing is so impressed with how much work you are doing and posting. Look at you, working feverishly there. You've got lots and lots to choose from, lots and lots of work, getting on with your sister as well, which is really lovely to see, and working really hard together. Huge congratulations, buddy. The postman should be delivering that today to you, so look out for it in the post. I'm so, so proud of you. Huge congratulations, all right, buddy? Well done, keep it up. Moving on, you see, this is Muscle White's class. You've got Angel, you've got Tennis, you've got Leon, Daniel, Ellie, Julia, Jamie, and Neve. Again, all working so, so hard. Ellie there with her reading record, reading every single day. It's lovely to see. And working so hard, getting a bit of exercise outside there. Neve getting on with her sister as well, with Bella there. Fantastic and lovely to see. Jamie even doing his arithmetic test there. Amazing, buddy. So I tell you, well done, okay? And I know Miss Muscle White is so impressed with every single one of you. But her golden ticket this week goes to none other than Emily! Well done, Emily. You superstar. Look at that. What a smile. Thank you, hon. That just made me smile. So, so lovely. And just a thank you to us all at Marcos Primary School. Thank you, Emily, for that lovely, lovely poster. And huge congratulations, hon. You have been working so, so hard. It's so impressive, hon. I am so, so proud of you. I know Miss Muscle White is as well. Look out, the postman should get that to you today, so look out for it today. Well done, Emily. I am so proud of you, and thanks for that really smiley poster and message for us all, you superstar. Well done. Moving on to year 6. You see Mr. Davidson's superstar. You see Maisie, see Amy, Sophia, Alyssa, Ragnar, Ossie, Nicole, and then Alfie just there helping with decorating. Amazing, buddy. Well done. Good idea to keep your top off there, because actually you won't get paint on your clothes. So, but fantastic, guys. Working so, so hard. I see Maisie being really sensible there, toasting marshmallows and keeping good distance there as well. People getting out exercise. Sophia cooking again and making some amazing cakes and things that just make my mouth water. But again, lots and lots of smiley faces. You've got Arcee there, very special V-Day music homework that she did, and lots of different things like Over the Rainbow. I didn't realise that was about around sort of those 75 years ago. So brilliant, brilliant music homework there, and finding out lots and lots of facts and teaching me something as well. Well done, all of the year 6. But Mr. Davidson's golden ticket goes to none other than Leona! Well done, Leona. They're doing keepy uppies. I think she's on 382 while she's doing those keepy uppies, keeping that all up. Fantastic getting on exercise outside and keeping up with your skills, your football skills. And again, talking about baking, look at those cheese scones. Oh my days. Please, I want one. They just look amazing. Again, lovely smiley face. Hugely well deserved though, because this is for all the work that you're doing as well. Mr. David said, your reading, your writing, your maths, everything that you are doing. It's amazing, and as well as the cooking and the exercises, it's an amazing amount of work that's going on. So Leona, really huge congratulations and really well deserved. I'm so, so proud of you. Look out for this. The postman should deliver it today. So look, finally we're up to see Miss Person Superstars. We've got Jack, Ghislaine, Mia, Grace, Kettle, Maria, Stephen, and Keisha. Keisha's name on there on that COVID time capsule there. But again, all of you working so, so hard on your reading, on your writing. Lots of smiles as well there from Ghislaine and Mia. It's lovely to see Maria working hard, and Jack even smile away while he's on the computer. Huge amount of work, a huge amount of work that you year 6s are doing. So huge congratulations to every single one of you. Thank you, mums and dads. Thank you for posting on Class Dojo. It's lovely, lovely to see. And finally, though, this golden ticket goes to Poppy. Well done, Poppy. Look at you, smiling away. Scrambled egg on toast, looks delicious. Okay, lots and lots of work, working so, so, so hard. So huge congratulations, Poppy. I'm so, so proud of you. You really, really deserve this because you've been posting so much on Class Dojo. So fantastic, fantastic. Look out for this. Postman should be bringing it today to you, so do look out for it in the post. Brilliant, buddy. Well done, Poppy, and fantastic work. So thank you, Mum, again, for posting so much on there. Finally, my final message is, obviously, we're now half-term holiday next week. So relax, enjoy the weather, read a book. We are closed for next week because it is half-term. It is the holidays. So please do have a relax, take time out. There's no expectation for you to be posting on Class Dojo. It's just enjoy the week off. The weather's going to be beautiful. Still stay safe and stay well. And finally, the next shout out and golden ticket assembly will be Friday, the 5th of June. Until then, stay safe everyone, and see you then. Bye-bye.